Good afternoon. My name is Scott Tucker, the Training Fire Battalion Chief of the City of Carlsbad Fire Department. This afternoon we'll be discussing the donning or putting on and doffing the taking off of a surgical mask or face covering through the COVID-19. First, utilizing soap and water and vigorously rubbing for 20 seconds, making sure you get both top, bottom, in between the fingers and all the way up to the cuff of your wrist. In order to properly place on your face covering, you're going to go ahead, select your face covering. We're going to pick it up by the straps. We're going to take the first one, place it over your ear, and place it over your second ear. To get a proper fit, form down over the nose, not pinching, and then making sure it's just under our chin. And at that, we're going to have a good fitting face covering. So proper removal of a contaminated mask. We do not want to touch the front of the mask. We take one hand, place it behind your ear, remove the string, keep your head tilted slightly forward, take your other hand, grab the string, and remove it, pushing down and away with the mask, and go ahead and discard it in the trash. After discarding in the trash, we're going to go ahead and practice again good hand hygiene, utilizing hand sanitizer and soap and water for 20 seconds. From the City of Carlsbad Fire Department, stay safe, Carlsbad, practice social distancing, wear your mask, abide by the county health orders, and have a great day.